Hoi allemaal. Vandaag, today is day 136 of Mastering Dutch in 300 Days. Yesterday, I kind of fell asleep after 5 minutes. Was really tired. So today I'm gonna make up for it. Um, After work, I try to make some application because I've always been, not always. I started thinking about making a Dutch flashcard app with the markdown files that I currently have. Although I don't have any knowledge on JavaScript or CSS or HTML, all the front end side, I got a bit of help from ChatGPT and made a crude version of app in like 15 minutes. So I'll just first show you guys how it looks like, and then gonna move on to our regular daily work, which is transcription. Um, yeah, for those of you who just started watching this channel, I usually just go to NOS News and Malka Gatal, that's the name of the canal, and then I try to transcribe it, try to see the meaning without looking at the translation. Of course, sometimes I don't know the meaning at all, so in that sense, I would just go directly to the translator, but otherwise I don't. Anyways, let me share my screen. So basically, this is the current progress. So we've organized all the vocabulary files. For those of you who are just joining my channel, every day I just make markdown files like this. So yesterday should have been day 135, but I slept. So that's why there's no day 135. But I'm gonna add a file here, day 135, and although it's day 136. So there's an index that organizes the other files. Um, First, I know HTML. I know what it does, but first I'm actually making an app out of it. So it's just title is here, Mastering Dutch in 300 Days. And then there's a whole script that works as a backbone of this application. So um, I'm supposed to write down all the markdown files, so I'm just going to quickly do that. But if we progress, I would have to find out the way for it to automatically um, detect how many woordschaat is in the vocab folder, and then make a flashcard out of it. Day 133, day 134, day 135, and then, yeah, I think it's a bit like C, yeah? You end with semicolon. Then you load all vocabulary, reset the vocabulary list. You load a single markdown file. Yeah, load vocabulary file. Then you make it into a vocabulary array because we currently have it like this. We trim it. I have zero idea on what this does. I know that it's going to put on one side of the flashcard Dutch word and then the another side the English word, but I don't exactly know how the code works because I have no experience with JavaScript, but of course I want to learn. Um, so let's see. I haven't tried it yet, and this is the CSS file that manages the overall graphics. So let's see if this works. I've installed the live server. So if we just run the index HTML and then, okay, so this is the current status, very crude, nothing's really added. Um, if we try to press next, okay, it's not working. Let's see if it works. Okay, this is a problem with AI, using AI for coding. There's something wrong always. Um, Looks like there's another functionality that mirrors the word disaster because ramp is in Netherlands, right? And then if you translate it, it's disaster. It's supposed to show disaster here, but instead it's mirrored. So we have to fix that. And the next button not working. If any of you guys are a software engineer and know how to fix this, please don't hesitate to visit my GitHub. I'm gonna share the link. You guys can always try to make a branch and then yeah, contribute to file so that um, as an end product, we make an application that allows other people, other non-coders to use it as well, or people who are just interested in learning Dutch. Anyways, that was it for the coding part. I feel like we spent a bit too much time there. Let's move on to NOS News in Makata. I don't know why here's this. Okay, let's go with this one. Oh, by the way, guys, I just looked at how many people just visited my channel. Apparently, in the past 3 days, there's over 1,500 people who visited my channel. So thank you all for that. Really appreciate the interest. Uh, yeah, just gives me the drive to move forward. Afgeboven, afgeboven. In dit journaal gaat het over de explosies de afgelopen tijd. In this journal, we talk about the explosions in the recent time. Afgelopen. Afgelopen is like this descending, no? Afgelopen. The, recently, yeah, so afgelopen tijd. Afgelopen tijd is recently. De politie heeft er dit jaar al 500 mensen voor aangehouden. The police have this year already 500 people for arrest. Aangehouden was arrest, right? Just to double check. Yeah, arrested. Het gaat over een oude gevangenis. Gevangenis is a prison. Yeah, gevangenis. Only reason I knew was this picture. Gevangenis. So I'm just gonna write it down here. Prison. Ik ga het misschien opnieuw open omdat er te weinig cellen zijn. So, which there's going to be maybe a new one opening up because there are two less cells. Het gaat over kerstkaarten. And move on to the Christmas cards. Postbezorgers hebben het er druk mee. The mailmen are having a very busy time. Police have this year already 500 people arrested. Die betrokken waren bij explosies. The betrokken. What is betrokken? Involved. Die who are betrokken by the explosie, who are involved by explosies. Betrokken waren, who were involved in explosion, who were involved in explosion. Die betrokken waren bij explosie. Betrokken explosie. What did I write there? Involved. Dat zijn er meer dan andere jaren. That is more than the other years. Deskundige, I think that's a mayor. Deskundige. Experts, deskundige. Deskundige. Experts are expressing worries about a lot of explosions in the recent times. I know Purmerend. The last biggest explosion was in Purmerend. That happened last weekend. Afgelopen weken. Afgelopen. You can either say vorige or you can also say afgelopen. I learned a new thing today. Een jongen raakte zwaar gewond. Een jongen raakte zwaar gewond. Raakte zwaar gewond. Raakte zwaar gewond. Was seriously injured. Raakte zwaar gewond. Raakte zwaar gewond. Raakte hit. Zwaar gewond. Seriously hit serious. Zwaar gewond. Was injured seriously. Raakte zwaar gewond. 5 woningen zijn onbewoonbaar. 5 woningen zijn onbewoonbaar. Onbewoonbaar. Wat is dat? Onbewoonbaar. Uninhabitable. Unbewoonbaar. So on is like un. It's like a suffix. Onbewoonbaar. Uninhabitable, not able to live there, right? The weekend hiervoor, het weekend hiervoor. Hiervoor is also like before, yeah? So afgelopen, hiervoor, and then vorige. Hiervoor. previous? Was ook één? Was there also a big explosion in Den Haag? Um, uh, a part of a flat, een deel van een flat stortte. Stortte was collapsed, right? Stortte toen in. It was collapsed from it, I think. Stortte toen in. Then collapsed. Okay. 6 people kwamen om het leven, ended their lives. Kwamen has come to the end of their lives. Came to life. Beide explosies gebeurden met opzet. Beide explosies gebeurden met opzet. Beide explosies gebeurden met opzet. Both explosions were done on purpose. Beide is both. Opzet on purpose. Okay. Here in Den Haag was het doel. Was het doel. Was the goal. Was the goal. A winkel, a shop. Vrouw Jurke. Vrouw Jurke gekoopt. By a winkel with a shop with which they could buy the wedding dresses. Vrouw Jurke. Vrouw Jurke. Wedding dress. This year there is already more than 1,000 of this sort of attack happened. Aanslagen is attack, no? Attacks, ja. Dit jaar zijn er al meer dan 1.000 van dit soort aanslagen geweest. Gebeurt dat met verboden vuurwerk? Often this happened with a forbidden fireworks. Holy shit. There's even a name for it. That is, for example, cobras. Ontploffen. Lit on fire, right? Ontploffen. Explode. I think we did this, but because I don't remember, I'm gonna do this again. Wow. Someone is like pressing likes and dislikes. Deskundigen zeggen dat criminelen met dit vuurwerk. So experts say that criminals with this kind of firework een soort bomen maken are making some kind of bomb. Okay, guys, that was it for today. Thank you guys all for watching. I'm gonna upload this on GitHub so that if you guys are interested, then you guys can play with it. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.